What's this? Hello, camera. I'm doing makeup. We'll do it.
Okay. Evelyn's doing my makeup.
It's fine then. Downstairs.
We're going to do downstairs. Thank you for holding my brushes.
What's that sound?
I'm not sure. What was it?
That's Sam.
Sam.
Mm.
Do you want to sit on there?
I hold it.
You don't have to hold it anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When Thomas comes.
Thomas comes. Is Thomas coming to do my makeup?
No.
No. No, I didn't think so.
I don't think so.
Right, so you're going to start with the spritz, by the looks of it.
Yeah.
Do you want to spray me in the face?
Yeah.
Got to push that down then. Push really hard. Ah, there it is. Ah.
I did it.
Yes, you did it.
I do it.
Okay. Oh, it went in your hand. Good
There's
shake.
some dick.
You gotta point it up. Here.
Keep still.
Okay.
They're this one.
Yeah, perfect.
No, not that.
Okay, we're not done with that.
Do again.
Okay.
And do it.
Okay. Give it a good shake. Have you washed your hands?
No, not that got on it.
Oh, we've got more makeup. Should we use some other makeup? I'm gonna use some of this. And you're gonna pop it on my face? Here, under my eyes. Yeah, there. Drawing some circles. And the other eye.
Keep still. Bit more.
Bit more. And put it on my chin.
Yeah.
On my chin. There you
Keep
go.
still. Thomas comes.
Until Thomas comes.
Yeah, they hide.
Oh, we'll hide when he comes.
Yeah.
Am I pretty yet?
No.
All around me are familiar faces.
And that side.
I'm that side.
And that side.
Okay.
I put it that side. That side.
And how about we use some... Which one to use next? We can use some of this one and put it on my cheeks.
Parity.
Powder.
Yeah.
And you put it on my other cheek here. Oh, or just on one cheek. Should we use the big brush?
No, baby brush.
We use the baby brush.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's quite easy.
Okay, it's easy for you to use. Okay.
Party.
For a party?
No, party.
Powder.
Powder.
Yeah.
Nana, I've got there.
What, a spot?
I got one spot.
You've got a spot?
Her.
You don't have any spots. I got spots. Oh, more on this side. How about some blush?
What's that?
Blush. It smells nice.
Nice. You're not pretty.
I'm not pretty.
Hmm.
Oh, I'm not pretty.
Yeah.
Oh, that's mean. Should I put a... Do you want any on this side? Or... Okay, thank
What
you.
got here?
What have we got here? We get some highlighter. So you squirt a little bit out and flip it on here. Oh.
Again?
Do it again?
Yeah.
Do it on this cheek. enough highlighter. You've got to rub it in now. Does this look good? So we got
That one.
You want to use this one again?
Yeah.
Okay, here you go. Some more face spritz. Oh, oh, I almost went over Pippa.
Sorry, Pippa.
How about we use some lipstick? Lipstick. Okay, you want to do lipstick?
I'll just
Okay.
let's go.
Here's the lid.
Do it again?
You want more?
Yeah.
Okay.
That bit.
Oh. Do you want to do some eyeshadow?
Yeah. That one.
That's not eyeshadow. This is eyeshadow. What colour do you want?
That one.
That one.
Yeah.
So you're going to put the brush in it.
Yeah.
Okay. And then you're going to put it on my eyelids. Oh.
Chicken.
Yeah. Oh, we're mixing it up with a few colours here now. Just every colour. Oh, we're going in with some cream. I want some blue. Oh, that's my cheek. I've got blue on my cheek.
And that one.
That one. Okay, the pink again. More on the cheek. Okay, this has now become a cheek palette.
They all colours.
Oh.
1, 2. That's blue.
Yeah, well, we pop down shortly then to.
Oh, and a bit on my
what's going
chin.
on. Okay. Well,
Come on.
Hannah's got
in your-
everyone doing
on the way.
something on her.
Thomas is on the way? I
Yeah.
thought he was playing cricket today.
So,
Oh, we're going to put some red on the chin.
finish.
Oh, what a way to complete the look. Do you want to put any other makeup on me?
There. All done.
All done. What about any...
That one.
Okay, you want that one. Okay, this is eyebrow gel.
Where's it go?
Goes on your eyebrows. Oh. Meticulously crafting those eyebrows.
That's fine.
And this side. Oh,
It's black.
it's black. Does
Yeah.
it look good?
Yeah.
Oh.
Look. Let's go. Look, camera. Take picture.
Am I pretty yet?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. See. How about that one?
This one?
Yeah.
Lipstick.
Lipstick. Where's it go?
On my lips.
Pippa go. Have poo. It's Pippa.
Pippa girl a poo poo. Did you say Pippa girl's poo poo?
Yeah. It's very cute.
Very cute.
Hmm. And very beautiful.
Oh, thank you. Is this the best I've ever looked?
Yeah.
Thank you.
And the one and carrot this one.
Okay, you carry that one. Okay, where are we going?
I'm going to see that Peter.
Okay.
Man.
Yeah?
Look at that. Look.
Wow! Look at Anna, she looks beautiful.
She's not pretty. She's got all colours.
All the colours. Is she beautiful?
Yeah.
Yeah, good job, baby.
I hope Anna will do it again.
You do it again. Oh, wow.
Sam. Look, Anna.
Yeah?
What a good job.
What are you doing?
What do you think of my makeup, Sam?
Evie's done a really good job.
Do party.
Do you want some spray, Evie?
No.
Should we spray you?
Anna's.
Should we spray you?
Yeah.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
It's all shiny. Skate on you.
Okay, I'm pretty sure that's it now for the video, because this is probably going to go on for a little while, and then we're going to play hide and seek, aren't we? Because you love hide and seek. Oh. Yeah. So thanks for watching. Say bye, Evelyn.
Bye.
Bye.